I'll be showing you guys on how to cook gourmet ramen. As a matter of fact, hey childhood friend Charles, come over here and say hi to the people.
Hello, people. Yeah, it's breakable apart. See, they starting to feel soft already.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright guys, so we're going to get right into it. So like I said, we are going to be making a shrimp fettuccine today. It's very, very easy. First couple of steps, I'm going to have my guy Iz here. He's going to fill this nice expensive pot up with water. But I used 2 jars of this brand. It's amazing. There's different ones. There's like garlic and all this other stuff. But today, just for the demonstration, I'm going to be using one. Heat it up. I'm also going to season it and do all this cool stuff. So stay tuned. You want to get some water?
Oh, you need my help? Let's go team.
Ooh, change gonna come. You gotta catch it and then you just. Hey, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna actually season the sauce. So very, very just like staple products in your home. Some minced garlic. Gonna have a sprinkle of, and we have some seasoned salt. So let's go ahead and just put some more on that. Nobody wants that. Then we have some pepper.
Yeah.
Some black pepper. You know, there's like pink pepper. Almost got me there. Go ahead and just tap the box, make it look cool.
Do you need my help with the seasoning or is this all you? It's cool.
Yeah, right there. Then you have some Italian seasoning. Though we are in Vancouver, Washington. This still works.
Appropriation, maybe.
I don't know what that means. Can't even spell it. Garlic powder and garlic.
And then minced garlic. But
That's the second.
yeah. Oh, that's the second one. Do you know what minced?
Shh.
Actually, minced is chopped.
Shh.
Cool. Shrimp? You want me to go ahead?
Shh. This is my kitchen. Now what we're going to do, go ahead and flick that wrist a little bit. Start before you actually enter. And after everything is mixed, you want to...
I'm just here.
You are here.
I'm just here. Shrimp?
You are here.
I'm on the shrimp?
Yes,
I'm
go
on
ahead.
the shrimp,
Go
guys.
ahead and do it. So, when you think of creativity, you know, like what comes to your head?
When you're being creative, you're telling the story of how you feel, what you think, what you believe, and you're doing that through whatever art form it is, whether it's dance, whether it's acting, whether it's photography, whether it's coloring, whether it's drawing, like whatever the case is, like you're telling your story from your perspective through your medium. So that's what I think about when I think about creativity.
There's a lot of people in the world, they think if they don't, you know, have a outward creative, you know, talent, you know, like music or art or singing or something like that, they don't feel like they're creative. What can you contribute to that conversation? Wow.
Sometimes people are better than others, and that's okay. But same with art. Some people seem to get more mainstream and like their art surfaces more than others. That doesn't mean their art's better. It just means their voice is being heard or their talent's being seen in other ways than others. All right.
That's amazing. This is a perfect time to honestly just get to know yourself. You know, find out what you like, you know, and capitalize on that. You know, there's YouTube. It is an amazing platform for you to you know, learn more about yourself and things of that nature, and actually start to invest into yourself. Because if you don't invest into yourself, don't expect others to.
Goodness
That was amazing, right?
You're a dad, aren't you?
I have a cup that said #1 dad, and I drink from it daily. Still my kitchen.
It's still the winner. Remember.
That's my frame.
Oh, you're right. My fault. It's all you. Last year, just like a poetry EP, because I wanted to do my own thing out of my own money, and that goes back to like investing in yourself. Like, you know, I had to pay for my own studio time. I had to pay for the producers and things like that who were part of my project. And I released something. Does a lot of people know about it? Not necessarily, but was it something creative that I did that I was able to give to the world? Yeah. So that's all that matters. It's like if you share your story genuinely, you'll attract the right people.
The water's boiling. What we're gonna do now is take we have some noodles here, fettuccine noodles. Why? Because we're making fettuccine. Just grab them. Don't be scared to just grab these, okay? Grab them. Now, make sure when you are handling hot water, you have a adult nearby, okay? And I want you to know that I mean, like how would you invest into yourself in this time period?
That's a good question.
Great question.
I think for me, it's just like be bold, be fun, and connect with friends. Like, and I know it's hard because we're trying to quarantine, stay separate, but at least like stay engaged. You know, because with people and experiences, you get to learn more about yourself. And you get to learn more about the world around you, right? And so, yeah, that's what I would say. It's just like invest in fun, invest in friends, and also like invest within yourself in that way too. And just figure out, like, experiment, bro. Like, I know we all try to like make sure we're looking good and make sure like we all got it together and stuff like that. But like, bro, we're older. You know, he's got a whole family. You know, I'm finishing school and stuff like that, and I don't have it together. You know, I'm trying, I'm figuring it out. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if you need to figure out more about who you are, like, just be bold and like do you. Like, and don't be ashamed about it. And you'll attract the people that's gonna help you stay true to who you are.
So make sure that you're, you know.
Don't break them. Sorry. I didn't want you to break your rule about not breaking things.
Well, I can't break it if it's whole, okay?
Well, you can if you like, you know what I'm saying?
It's plastic, friend.
I know. I'm just trying to help you, help me, help you. You know, help them. Help them.
You don't want it to stick to the pan. Right? Nobody likes a noodle
Pan sticker.
Couldn't have said it better.
And don't be a noodle pan sticker.
I have no clue what that
Learn how to cook. What's your favorite thing to make?
Oh.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Favorite thing to make by far, it's definitely cookies.
Cookies.
I'm just gonna be honest with you. That is gonna be one of the things that I show you guys. How I get down in the kitchen when it comes to baking cookies is very easy. I have my cookies down to a science, so stay tuned for that video next week. 3 hits. Make a song.
Sorry, happy feet.
Oh, sorry.
What we gonna do?
We're gonna make some cheese. This is the cookie.
Cheese grating!
Yeah.
You do it again.
Like that.
Do it again.
And that's gotta yell.
Yeah. You can stir this.
Yes, I can.
I
could be
go
a
ahead and
lovely-
break the cheese.
Lovely helper here. Not a noodle sticker.
Some slack.
Might be.
That's your fault.
Just so you know.
I gave you responsibility. So now it's your
Second.
responsibility.
Actually, you've been
Too
watching
bad.
it.
You were talking.
Excuse me, sir. You're grating the cheese wrong.
I'm not.
Made you look.
And then with that cheese, what you're gonna do here? There we go. 3. And then you're gonna have the cheese. You're just gonna sprinkle it on
That
top.
rhymed. 3. The roast. The roast is a show that you post the most.
Hey guys, what we're gonna do now is gonna drain the noodles with this bad boy. I literally almost dropped it. I was so scared. But you know what? When you have hands like this, everything is magic. Dump the salt, not the salt. What is this called?
Noodles.
Noodles. Don't do that, people.
Make sure you wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
You sure you're moving?
So we're just doing this, making sure that all the noodles get sauce on them, because you don't want a noodle with no sauce. A noodle with no sauce is like a piece of cereal with no milk. Dry.
Useless.